Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody, and it is giveaway time. So I have promised, or mentioned, I suppose it wasn't really a promise, I mentioned doing a giveaway with all of my purple items from my stash probably a month and a half ago. So I have gone through my entire stash, kind of gathered the purple things, and I did not have near as many as what I thought I would. It was actually kind of difficult to find purple items, especially when you start looking at different tones of purple. Things start to look pink versus purple, so I did my best and kind of kept it in the purple tones. But I have a giveaway for you. The only thing you have to do to enter, well, there's two things. You have to be a subscriber. And the second thing is your actual entry into the giveaway is in the comment section below. Leave a comment and tell me where you are from. That's the only thing that you have to do is tell me where you're from, and that will put you an entry into the giveaway. And I'm going to keep this open until May 1st. Through the day of May 1st, and then I'll do my giveaway drawing either at the end of that day or on the 2nd or something like that. But I'll get it posted, and then I'll notify. I'll do it in a video, and then I'll also tag the winner. So anyways, keep an eye out for the winner video as well. So if you do win, you can tell me your address so I can send it to you. But before I show you what's in this giveaway, these are all items from my stash. I did purchase one or two new things, but primarily it's things from my stash. And not everything in here is going to be everybody's style, but these are just things from my stash, things that I've pulled. And if there's anything in here that you could potentially use, put yourself in the giveaway. Put an entry in, and anything that you don't want or don't want to use, just toss if you win it. So anyways, let me show you what I've got here. A little bag. All right, so I kind of got it divided into types. So let's start with the washi because it kind of pops out of there. So this is a Freckled Fawn washi. It is brand new, and it is a purple with like a teal, if I can get it, with a teal feather on it. That's what it looks like. Purple with like a teal feather. Kind of a really pretty purple too. This is probably one of the truer purples. You're going to see in here that things start to look a little pink. So if pink's not your thing, just toss those if you win. But start with them washi. Then I tried to find some papers, and it is really hard to find papers that are purple in my stash. So some of these are actually older items. I pulled all of the purple papers I could find from my 6x6 stash. I've got two kind of diamond shapes here. I've got this vellum paper that's really, let's see, there you go. It's really kind of got a purplish pink tone to it, but I thought it was interesting, so I went ahead and included it. And there are two sheets of that as well. Then there's this one. This is actually from a Christmas collection, but it's got a really pretty kind of purpley tone to it, and that is also from that same collection. And it's really kind of all the papers I had. I did have some random scraps, and these are a little bit thinner, but I thought I'd go ahead and include them. And again, if it's not something you like and you win this, just throw these away. And then some purple cardstock as well. So not a whole lot of purple papers, but a nice little variety. So you get the papers. Then I was able to find like 3 alphas, and this one is slightly used, but I went ahead and included it. These are from My Little Shoebox. It's their mini alphas in lilac. So I just went ahead and included that one because I thought it was still enough. But there's that. This is a new thing that I had purchased. It's the Freckled Fawn Vellum Alpha, and there are 2 sheets in here. And then I got this one as well. This is the Ellie Studio alpha, like tile alphas, which I love these. But I got the purple ones. Then the only other stickers I really have were these, and these were from a Me and My Big Ideas sticker book. It's like an icon sticker book, but there's a whole collection of purple stickers there. I have 2 more like paper, or 3 more like paper layering things. These are some bags that I had got from Pick Your Plum. I purchased a whole bunch of different ones, different colors, but there's purple. And then I've got a whole collection of cards here. Move that up. And this is a set that I purchased to go with this giveaway, but the rest of these are from my stash. I've got a couple 4x6s. Yeah, that one's really thick. It's like a purple wood grain. Then this one is an Ellie Studio one. It's a May one. Just says notes from this month and the story of the summer. It's just got a grid on the back. And then a couple more here. We've got favorites, Saturday, Sunday, just a stripe with a grid on the back. Today is a new day. That's horizontal or vertical. Documented. These are some Studio 29 designs, which they are closed now, but those are a couple years old, but I really like their quality of their cards. Oh, that one's not, that's not purple. I think that one got stuck in there. Purple and pink and green. A couple things that coordinate there. I went ahead and included this because this goes with that collection. So I just went ahead and included it even though it doesn't have any purple. A wavy pattern. Some dots. And these are the ones that kind of go a little bit more on the lighter purple. I've got Love Summer. It's got some red on there. A diagonal that goes with that. Summer Event. And these just have grids on the back. These tan lines will fade, but the memories will last forever. And then these last ones are from the We Are Memory Keepers balloon collection, and they've got some purple, gray, and like lime green on a couple of the cards. Oh, do I have any? Yeah. Oh no, that's gray. I thought I had lime green. Oh, there it is. It's more of like a mustardy yellow, rather. So just a couple extra cards with kind of that purple, remember when. Couple of those purple tones. So those are all the cards. Now let me show you this last little 3x4 set here. These were from Freckled Fawn. They had a sale, and this was in their sale. And now these are not all purple, but they went with this collection, and I thought they all kind of coordinated well. Some florals, very important. Some frames. Diamond looking things. Got purple dots with the camera. Those little diamond looking arrow things again. Another camera. Some stripes. A very bright green. And then snapshot, everyone has a story. So those are all of the cards, and these are all single-sided on the set. So those are some cards for you. A good variety. I think it's probably this if you were to use all of these together, it's definitely much more Project Life focused, but it gives you a good variety to mix into your stash. Now, this I know is not everyone's cup of tea, but I have a million of them, so I included them. I've got some purple glitter as well as just some purple homemade enamel dots, so a whole bunch of those. I've got some chipboard, acetate, and like cut apart things, and these are just from a variety of companies. Oh, and then some of these like epoxy stickers. So these are like kind of a weird purple color, but I included them because they could be purple, but they're kind of a brownish purple tone. So, but there's some pale purple. So I'm really not sure about these, but again, just including them. So if it's not your cup of tea, don't worry about it. These are some really, really old chipboard pieces. Got a couple of those. I've just got some punched hearts here. I think that's from my little shoebox die cut. Some little acetate flowers, a whole bunch of those. I even have like an old adhesive badge, which is kind of funny. I've got a couple label stickers, a little cut apart, again more of those little punched hearts, some labels from LA Studio, a little thank you that I cut off of the LA Studio thank you card that they send. These are from Pretty Little Studio. Well, I was having a problem. That's from Pretty Little Studio as well. More of those little hearts punched out. Label, another one of those. And then more hearts. So that's just kind of a random little supply of embellishments. And then the very last thing I have, let me put these back in here. When I do ship this, this is just going to be put into a kind of a padded envelope, so I kind of got it all together. That's why it's kind of like in these little bags and stuff, just to kind of keep it from getting damaged or anything in the mail. And the last little thing I have is this like dimensional little embellishment pack here. got a few flare, sweet, ampersand, and happy spring. I've got a couple like decorative brads. There's this really pretty butterfly with these little like yellow rhinestones in it, and I love these little owls. You get 2 of those. A couple paper clips. Oh, there we go, the little owls. 2 glitter purple brads. Some little, I think those are My Mind's Eye. And my absolute little favorite thing is this little monster. Can you see him? I think he's so cute. I don't know if anybody could use these, but I have a little boy and we have a lot of like little monster things. So I have a whole package of these monsters, and there's a purple one and I think he's adorable. So I'm including him. And then I think there's, hang on. Let's see. Let's just see. Alright, and then the very last little thing that I had forgot to put in the bag is a whole bunch of purple sequins. So as you can see, a really pretty purple color. And that's just a whole little pack. It's enough to put in a little shaker card if you want to, or use it individually as embellishments. Alright guys, so that is everything. I hope you guys like this little giveaway. Let me know if you have any questions, but it's fairly simple. Be a subscriber. Put a comment down below by May 1st telling me where you are or where you're from, because I think that's cool to see where everybody's from. And then I'll do the drawing either at the end of the 1st or the next day or something like that, and post a video announcing the winner. So keep an eye out for that. Alright guys, thank you so much. Bye!